Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on Hubspot Sales Hub Automation, right? If you're still copy-pasting outreach and nudging reps to follow up, this one's for you. In the next minutes, we will set up a complete sales automation flow in Hubspot Sales. You can use this for lead capture, fair lead routine, adaptive email capture, different sequences, and so on and so on. And even for calls with AI transcription and multi-outcome forecasting, everything is repeatable and manager friendly. Let's say, for example, that we are a small team selling Green Ledger. Our inbound is going to come from a request demo form. So what do we need, guys? Is we need an automatic assignment to the right rep, instant multi-step outreach, and clean handoff to pipeline with codes and forecasting. So what are we going to do? I just want you to go to Hubspot, the main dashboard here. Just go to sales and go to our sales workspace in here, guys. Now you're gonna have the option to start a 14-day free trial, which I'm gonna recommend that you do, of course. Now I'm gonna recommend you that you do 2 steps, okay? I want you to connect your inbox and your calendar, okay? These are very important steps. Now from here, you can just go to the leads section and start creating new leads, okay guys? This can be contact or companies, they don't matter. What's cool about this is that we can assign them to a certain pipeline, as you can see in here. I strongly recommend that you create your own sequences or pipelines by just going to sales and then sequences and then just click on create a sequence. Now I usually go to start from scratch and you have to choose the first step, okay? Which in this case is going to be, it can be either a manual email task or an automated email, depends. And from here you're going to have to basically create like a new template, or you can use one. Okay, so just click in here and just write your email, whatever you want to send to this contact, to this lead. Next, we're going to create a workflow. Okay, so just open your search bar and just search for workflow in here. And what I want to do here is I want to route the leads fairly and auto-enroll them in a personalized outreach sequence. Okay. You have many different templates. Actually, this first one, send an email series when a form is submitted. This would be actually ideal for me, but I'm going to create one from scratch. Now we have to select our trigger, which in my case is going to be a form submission. Okay, so let's type in here a form. And I quite like this form submission when a contact submits a form. That's going to be ideal for me. So let's click in here. Now you basically have to select the form that you want him to submit. I created one in a previous video, so I'm just going to select this one. And now I'm going to add a new step, okay? And now the name for this is kind of weird, but it's going to be rotate record to owner, okay? Which says assign which team member should be owner. You're basically going to assign whatever team member from your team you want to take care of this, lead-in prospect. And you can assign between different teams and different users. In my case, I have my AI agent and I have myself. I'm just going to click on myself in here, and that's going to be it. I'm going to click on save. And finally, I'm going to add one final step, which is going to be enroll in a sequence. And I'm going to select this one here, enroll contact in sequence. Now we have to connect to this app, you have to install it, and so on and so on. And now you have to select the sequence that I told you to create before, okay? I didn't complete it doing it, but yeah, you have to complete it, okay? And here you're going to be able to select it and click on save. Once again, guys, remember that you can create a sequence from scratch, and it can be like a series of different emails, for different days, and so on and so on. So this is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. In the sales section, you can also use the forecast, menu to show multiple revenue outcomes using the deal date and amount properties you choose. All right, guys. So this is actually pretty important for analytics. So, hey guys, this is pretty much how you can use sales. It's very generic because you can do a bunch of things with it, but just try it out. The most important things is basically the workflows and the sequences, all right? That's going to set up your success with these things. Okay, guys? Thank you so much.